Today at Elwood Farm Machinery with a Ford 3930. Four-wheel drive, loader tractor. Bucket, mug fork, pallet forks, whatever you need, it's available. It's very blue. Fully glazed cab. Nice straight tractor. 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, PTO, auxiliary spools, trailer brakes. It is road registered also. More blue this side and loader. In the cab. Seats for sitting on. Very nice place to sit, as you can see. Put the old cassette player on. Listen to Top of the Pops 2. No problems. Joystick loader control. And shuttle back and forward, high low, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple, very easy access. So as you only sit here, you're very comfortable. Nothing's in the way. Cab's in very good condition. Very nice loader controls, you can see here, up, down, or tilt. Has got 30 service on as well, as you can see. Power steering, incredibly light. PTO doing a little dance for you. Working handbrake. Very simple to use. Low, first, forward, go. We're off. First, second, third, fourth. Nice visibility. Nice place to sit in here all day. Good brakes, which will stop you dead. Then we're going to high. High. First, go. Seat handling the bumps with ease there. Last but not least, reverse. And there she is, ready for you. More information available at elwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.